To leave a review on Dhgate, start by opening a web browser and searching for the website. Once you've found the site, click on it to access the homepage, where you'll see the Dhgate logo, a search bar, and options to sign in or register. If you haven't already, create an account by registering, or sign in with your email and password. Next, navigate to the product you want to review, such as a smart bracelet. On the product page, you'll see the price, rating, and the number of items sold, as well as a section for reviews. Click on the Reviews tab to view existing feedback and ratings from other customers. After receiving your item, you can scroll down to the Reviews section and leave your own review. This process allows you to share your experience with the product and help others make informed purchasing decisions.